Hello. Hello. What's up, Rockers and Mercuryans? How y'all doing? Mark, you at the lake. At the lake. It's beautiful out today. I'm just chilling and relaxing. My nephew. What y'all up to? What y'all up to? What's up, Alex Chino? Hello, Bobby Jones. How's it going? You like your cracker? Yum, yum. What's up, Bobby Jones? What's up, Bobby Jones? Hey, Momo. Let's see. You can reactivate your memberships and continue to gain points by sending heart me's in the live if they like your content. Thank you, Mo Boy, so much for liking the live. Oh, it feels so good under here, y'all. Okay, am I on time for a mukbang? I'll be on mukbang when I get home. Once I get home, I will be eating and doing a mukbang live. And I'm out here walking my nephew right now. Ready for your next snack? Yep. He's gonna be a witness. That's wild. I don't know why it says unstable connection. Is it freezy? Is it laggy for you guys? Y'all please tap that screen for me. Let's get to 1,000 likes, please. Still at the lake, you guys. Beautiful out here. Very beautiful. What's up, Neil? How you doing? Hey, Combat. Hello. Having a good day with Diddy today? Kid Cudi's going to be testifying on Diddy's trial. That's going to be huge. You said, no, you're not with Diddy today? Well, not a good time. Roxer, what's up, Jihad? Good to see you. You're at the lake. Great to see you. Great to see you as always, sir. Absolutely. Thank you, Combat, for liking the live. We're almost at 1,000 likes. Let's keep on liking. Can you put in the air like this? Like this? For what? What is this for? Jihad, thank you so much for liking the live. I appreciate you. Oh, Combat, you want to get blocked? You want to get blocked and muted? Is that what you like? Okay, fix your face then. Fix yourself. Exactly. Shady I be. L Diddy bat. Alright, you guys. Get my nephew his pouch. What's up, Nassar Lima? How you doing? Ooh, what a day, what a day. So beautiful out. I did 100 push-ups today. My goal is 325. If I can get there. That's my goal. What's up, Lulu? Hey, Lactate, how you doing? Hey bro, I've been following you for a little over a year now, and I love your content and tuning in. Thank you so much, Lactate. Thank you so much. I hope life is treating you well. It's getting better. I'm still a little lost. I'm still not sure what I'm gonna do next and some things in life, but I'm just doing my best. Hope life's treating you well. Thank you for your constant support for years, for over a year. I really appreciate you being here. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much. He's out here at the lake today. Hold on, you guys. I'm still here, you guys. Still here. What's up, Gamer Sean? What's up, use my glove cheese? What does that mean? Okay. Alright, you guys. Well, I guess I'll get off in a second. I'll see you guys soon. Rock on, Mercuryans. Thank you for your support. Bye.